Yeah, my field is solid-state image sensors. These are the sensors that are at the heart of every camera that's made. I used to work at the NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory, and at that time we developed a really tiny camera technology for interplanetary spacecraft, and is now in pretty much every cell phone and every camera. And image sensor technology captures light that comes from many sources and converts it into electrical signals that we can use to use in our computers or other places. Yeah, so that technology that's in every camera now is the CMOS active pixel sensor technology. And there's about, believe it or not, about 50 cameras made every second, 24/7, 365 days a year using that technology. This technology was invented in the early 90s, and so now it's almost 20 years later. And I have to tell you that we really didn't foresee the social impact that ubiquitous camera technology would have on society, going from Facebook and sharing pictures to be able to capture pictures of things live and almost instantaneous transmission of that event to neighboring countries. Now I'm wondering what's next. So we are working on next generation image capture devices. We're just trying to figure out how to make these really, really tiny sensors that can be sensitive to a single photoelectron and not melt the chip down because there's so many of them. How we're going to deal with the actual communication of getting all that data off the chip, which is going to be terabits of data per second, which is vast. And then also, how do we actually take all this digital data, ones and zeros, binary data, and turn it into an image that will be pleasing to your eye? PhD program is like an apprenticeship program. You come to the university and you wind up working with one particular professor for 3, 4, 5 years in a very close way. And in that process, you learn how to go from being an undergraduate student where you are being educated by a professor to learning how to educate yourself and how to ask the next question and then answer the next question all by your own. And also in the process of PhD education as an apprentice to help in the research that the faculty member is doing, I have to say the Thayer School has really impressed me with the quality of teaching that's done at Thayer. The quality of the student population is really quite excellent. I tend to think it's a really good thing that there's a very close relationship built between students and faculty that will last a lifetime.